Luna. Okay, leave the stuff alone. Luna, I thought you were going to go watch the washer.
Get out of there.
What is that?
She's like, I can't touch it.
Oh, no. Don't put your hand down. You can... Oh. What is that?
Something that locks because she would not open it.
She's funny. What is that?
Is it leaking, Luna?
Can't figure
What
it
is it, Luna?
She's like, is it this?
That's not it.
You already lost your interest? Weren't you barking at it the other day?
Once it starts moving again.
Could you get out of the
Hey.
dirty clothes, kid?
Hey,
Luna,
stop.
come here.
Luna, get out of there. Don't.
She jumped.
I turned the dishwasher on this morning and she jumped too.
The toaster.
The dishwasher?
A couple days ago.
I got the dishwasher. I didn't turn it on. It did the beeping
A
thing.
couple days ago, the toaster popped and she jumped.
What's that?
She was by the table and then she was like,
What?
what the heck?
What's going on? What's going on? What is that? Luna?
You like watching that, Luna?
There's a person inside.
What is that?
He's like, is it that?
That one's like,
It's literally moving and you can't tell which one it is.
She's funny. You like that, Luna? What is that?
It's crazy. It's terrible.
Oh, it hit the thing.
It's terrible.
Don't attack it. It's okay.
that'd be hilarious if a button hit the thing really hard and she like freaked out.
Oh, don't make it, Luna.
But it's weird because it's dented in so she can stick her hair. I hate painting. I hate
Luna, what is that? What is that, baby?
It's vibrating. You need to figure it out.
Here, don't lick
She
it.
thinks she... She's like, I can't.
You good now? It's just washing the clothes. She's like, Reese, do you see that?
What is that, Luna? You see this? That's my leg.
Yeah. Luna's like, Reese, look, Reese. Oh, somebody's got food. You want to go see if you can get some, you beggar? You beggar.
Okay.
You're gonna eat all Daddy's pretzels, aren't you, Stinky? Oh, you just hit your head, Stinky. She's like, was that the machine?
Luna.
Ooh. What does Alex have? Look at Alex. Oh, where's Alex? Go see Alex.
Luna.
Go see Alex.
Look.
You want some?
Go see Alex.
No, I don't have any.
Luna, come here. Hello.
You can't have any. You're not going outside.
Look what Alex has. Luna,
Luna. You're not paying attention, really good.
right in front of your face, Dopey. She's like, I'm gonna sit.
I wonder what's going on.
You're done.
She's keeping an eye on that washer just in case.
Okay, decide.
Good girl, Luna. Laying down.
Up. No. Sit up. Sit up.
Luna.
She's like, I'm hitting your hand. What do you want?
Get up. Get up, lazy.
Sit up.
Stop.
Sit up. No, sit up. Sit up.
Yeah, she's
jump.
like, I'm gonna jump
Sit
and
up.
get it. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl, Luna.
Hop. Hold it. Wait. Good girl. Drop it. Here. One more.
Ooh, I'm gonna tell Daddy you're eating all his pretzels. Luna. Are you eating Daddy's pretzels? Yes, you are. You're too close. I can't see you now.
There's no more.
Somebody's in there. They're hitting the side of it and saying, "Who's in there?" It's not me. Luna. It just said your name. That Alex is short? Whoa! Peter's not
You sweet mama. All right, get out of the pantry.